Imagine harvesting crisp, fresh cabbage right from your backyard. It's not just possible, it's incredibly rewarding and surprisingly straightforward, even for beginners. Growing your own cabbage offers unparalleled freshness and flavor. Homegrown cabbage tastes significantly better than store-bought varieties. You control the growing conditions, ensuring organic and pesticide-free produce. It's a cost-effective way to enjoy a nutritious vegetable. Cabbage is packed with vitamins K and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Adding it to your diet supports overall health and well-being. Plus, the satisfaction of eating something you grew yourself is truly unmatched. Selecting the right cabbage variety is your first step to success. Green, red, Savoy, and Napa cabbages each offer unique flavors and textures. Consider what you like to eat and how you plan to use your harvest. Green cabbage is a classic, great for coleslaw and cooking. Red cabbage adds vibrant color and is excellent raw or pickled. Savoy cabbage has crinkled leaves and a milder flavor. Napa cabbage is elongated and perfect for stir-fries. Cabbage is a cool season crop, meaning it prefers mild temperatures. Planting times are crucial for a bountiful harvest. Avoid the intense heat of midsummer, which can cause bolting or bitter flavors. In most North American regions, you'll aim for a spring crop and often a fall crop. Plant spring cabbage about 2 to 4 weeks before your last expected frost date. For a fall harvest, plant in mid to late summer. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Good air circulation is also important to prevent fungal diseases. Cabbage thrives in well-drained, fertile soil. The ideal soil pH for cabbage is between 6.0 and 7.0. Amend your soil with plenty of organic matter, such as compost or aged manure. This improves drainage, fertility, and moisture retention, giving your plants a strong start. You can start cabbage seeds indoors or sow them directly into the garden. Starting indoors gives you a head start, especially for spring crops in colder climates. Sow seeds 4 to 6 weeks before your target transplant date. For direct sowing, wait until the soil has warmed and all danger of hard frost has passed. Plant seeds about 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Thin seedlings to their final spacing once they develop a few true leaves. When transplanting seedlings, handle them gently to avoid disturbing the roots. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the root ball. Plant seedlings at the same depth they were in their containers. Proper spacing is vital for healthy head development. Space most cabbage varieties 18 to 24 inches apart in rows. Allow 24 to 36 inches between rows. This provides ample room for growth and air circulation. Cabbage needs consistent moisture to form firm, healthy heads. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim for about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, including rainfall. Fertilize your cabbage plants every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer. Alternatively, use a fertilizer higher in nitrogen during the early growth stages. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to loose heads. Cabbage plants can attract several common pests. Cabbage worms are a frequent culprit, leaving holes in leaves. Hand-picking them or using Bacillus thuringiensis, an organic pesticide, can control them effectively. Aphids can also be an issue. Spray them off with a strong stream of water or use insecticidal soap. To prevent diseases like clubroot, ensure good crop rotation and maintain proper soil pH. Healthy plants are more resistant. Knowing when to harvest is key to enjoying crisp, flavorful cabbage. Cabbage heads are ready when they feel firm and solid to the touch. Gently squeeze the head to check its density. To harvest, use a sharp knife to cut the stem just below the lowest leaves of the head. You can often get a second, smaller harvest from the remaining stalk. Simply leave a few outer leaves, and the plant may produce smaller side shoots. Freshly harvested cabbage can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. Place whole, unwashed heads in a plastic bag in the crisper drawer. Avoid washing until you are ready to use it. For longer storage, cabbage can be fermented into sauerkraut or kimchi. You can also blanch and freeze shredded cabbage for use in cooked dishes. Proper storage ensures you enjoy your harvest for months. Growing cabbage at home is a rewarding experience that enhances your garden and your kitchen. With these practical tips, you're well equipped to cultivate delicious, healthy cabbage. Start your cabbage patch today and savor the taste of homegrown goodness.